Hello, a Rosie math teacher coming at you from my first period accelerated grade 7 math class, where today we are doing day 1 of lesson 3-4, use more two-step equations to solve problems on textbook page 185. Remember today, just begin the lesson because we have an exciting pep rally at school today, and I don't want my kids staying up too late worrying about their homework. You can finish it tomorrow. All right, item number 1. Ayana is making 6 scarves that each require 1 1/4 yards of purple fabric and a certain amount of blue fabric. So my class is going to begin to write in their textbook underneath item number 1, class, how many scarves is Ayana going to make? 6. Please write a 6 as the beginning of this number story. Now the difference in today's lesson is you not only need to know how to solve a two-step equation, but you need to know how to write a two-step equation, choosing the correct location and job for each piece that is in the word problem. Let's look at each scarf requiring 1 1/4 yards of purple fabric. So class, how many yards of purple fabric per scarf? 1 1/4. Make that the beginning of your parentheses section. 1 1/4. Let's talk about what this means. This means if it takes 1 1/4 yards of purple fabric per scarf, and she is going to make 6 scarves, then we want to put inside the parentheses all of the materials for 1 scarf, and then one at a time multiply each piece by the 6. Are you following why we're setting it up like this? All right, so let's see what the next part is. And, what does the word and usually mean? Plus or minus? Plus, please write your plus sign. A certain amount of blue fabric. Do we know the amount of blue fabric? No, a certain amount. I don't know what letter or variable your your online app will use, but I want you to use B for blue right now. A certain amount of blue. Because in the world of math, if we don't know the value of the number right away, we use a variable in place of it. We're going to use a B in place of the blue fabric amount. Ending parenthesis. Now it says she will use 10 yards in all. So after my equal sign, what amount, class, will I write for my total? 10. Then their question says, determine how many yards of blue fabric are needed for each scarf. Let us begin. Solve this equation at first by removing the parentheses. How do we remove parentheses? We multiply the 6 by what? Each piece inside those parentheses. So let's do, on the calculator right now, 6 times 1 1/4. Remember, for your handheld, you're going to do 6 times 1 ABC key, 1 ABC key, 4 equals, raise your hand when you have an amount. Yes, ma'am? 7 1/2. And yes, guys, if you prefer to write that as 7.5, you certainly may. It does not matter to me. Then please do 6 times B. When I do 6 times B, I will simply write what, class? 6B. Now, since this was a positive 6 multiplied by a positive B, what symbol goes here? Plus. Excellent choice. Equaling, what is my total still? 10. Now, ask yourself, how do I solve a two-step equation? I go to the variable side and find the constant there. What is your constant? 7 1/2. How do we undo a positive or an added 7 1/2? We what it? Subtract it. What I do to one side, I must do to the other side. For today, I would like you to go ahead and write these steps out to remind your brain what you are doing with your numbers. Now on your calculator, please type 10 minus 7 ABC key 1 ABC key 2. Raise your hand when you have an amount to tell me for the total on the right. Yes, ma'am. Who agrees with 2 1/2? Please wave at me. You should agree because she's totally correct. All right, and then over on the left, what can I cancel out? 7 1/2 minus 7 1/2. Bye-bye. What is the only thing I need to copy on the left? Please say it. 6B. 6B equals 2 1/2. Are we getting close? Yes, we are. And for our second step, go to the variable side. This time find the variable. What is happening to the variable? It is being multiplied by 6. How do we undo multiply by 6? We divide by what? 6. Excellent choice. Do this on both sides. And 6 over 6 will cancel out. It equals a giant 1, so I just cancel it out. Who cares about 1b? It's just a b. So copy your b. And then over on the right, you are using your handheld calculator. 2, ABC key 1, ABC key 2, divided by 6. Raise your hand if you have an answer for me now. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so 5 over 12, that's going to be approximately what I think it should arrive at. Wave if you agree with her. 5 over 12. That is your final answer. It cannot be simplified any further. 5/12. Now let's go back into the word problem and see if 5/12 works in place of b. Let's see if, when we substitute 5/12 in place of b, let's see if it does indeed give us 10. So I'm going to go back and erase my b. I'm trying. Okay, so the amount is 5/12. So guys, 6 times 1 1/4, say that again. What was it? 7 1/2. I thought so, but I didn't want to be sure of it. Okay, 7 1/2. And then 6 times 5/12. Guys, I'm going to give you a quick way to multiply this. If I do 6 times 5, I would get 30. And then it would have been 6 over 1 times 5 over 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. But I can simplify this. Has anybody simplified 30 over 12? You can divide each piece by what? That's right, 6. Okay, 30 divided by 6 is 5. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 5 halves would be the same as what? 5 goes into 10. How many whole times? 2. How many pieces would be left over? What was it a moment ago? It was 1/2. Are we correct? I feel like we are missing a piece. Okay, I'm going to trust you. You're saying it would come out to 2 1/2. Let's try it. Oh, you are correct. All right, does 7 1/2 plus 2 1/2 indeed equal 10? Yes, it does. Do we have any questions on how we got that? Okay, do you agree that if we've got the right answer, it will always work when we substitute it in place of the variable? Okay, let's go ahead and tackle item number 2. Guys, I'm going to clear my screen. We're going to go to item number 2. Yes, ma'am. Okay, it sounds like this class is ending soon. So I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye for now because we have a very busy schedule today. Thank you.